Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be making macaroni salad, as you can see in this video. So here I have my red kidney beans. I've already boiled my red kidney beans so it's soft. So followed by my sweet corn, which I have also boiled it. Then the next one, I added my diced cucumber, as you can see in this video, followed by my chopped tomatoes, as you can see in this video. So the next one, I just added my red, yellow, green bell pepper, as you can see in this video. Then followed by my onions, as you can see in this video. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? So now I added my lettuce, as you can see in this video, followed by my grilled chicken, as you can see in this video. Then followed by my avocado mayonnaise, as you can see in this video. The mayonnaise was prepared with blended avocado with salt, vinegar, and Greek yogurt. So I had to mix everything together. I added eggs, then I had to mix everything together. As you can see in this video, you can as well enjoy it like this with rice, or even like this with any juice of your choice, especially for those practicing healthy living. You do not necessarily need to add macaroni, but if you don't mind, you can as well prepare it with macaroni and it will still come out nice, very healthy. These are all natural. I had to wash it, cut it before I started making this video, so that this video won't be long. So here I added the macaroni, then another avocado mayonnaise on top. So I decided to make it spicy by adding paprika, as you can see in this video, followed by a pinch of salt. Then I had to mix everything together, as you can see. So this is it, very tasty. It was so yummy. In fact, everybody in the house enjoyed it. They loved it so much. Okay, so if you want it to be more tastier, you can as well add golden melon. I added golden melon on top. You can as well use apple or any fruit of your choice. It will give it that, sweet taste. So this is how I prepared this healthy, yummy macaroni salad. Very healthy, no preservatives, no junks, healthy. So here I am enjoying with my tiger nut juice and homemade banana bread. So as you can see, this is so super healthy, all natural. So thanks for watching my videos. Are you going to try this? Let me know how you feel in the comment section. If there are other things you wish to add, it is also fine. But so I tried as much as possible to make it to be very healthy for the family, for me, especially me practicing healthy living. So that's just it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye.